Well, you get the picture. It just went on and on with nothing accomplished.
Was it really that bad?
Yeah, it was.
Well, it's not easy. Meetings take a lot of preparation. They're hard for me too sometimes.
What? I thought you were good at it.
I am, but there's always a little room for improvement. Actually, I'm stressed about my quarterly web meeting. The overseas account execs, they are a tough group to manage, especially since they're talking from 4 different time zones.
Well, sounds like we both need to do a little preparation.
Let's meet at my office. 2 o'clock?
Another meeting? No, just kidding. Sounds good.
Look at this. I found some great reference materials on meetings.
Whoa. I'm wondering if our department should just skip meetings entirely.
Well, actually, that is your first decision, and an important one. I mean, is the meeting necessary? If you can do it over a group email or just have a one-on-one conversation, you can save a lot of time for everyone. But meetings do serve a purpose.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so where I went wrong was I need to spend more time preparing.
Right. That's why I like to start with figuring out what I need to achieve in the meeting.
Well, I kind of knew what I wanted to accomplish in a general way.
Sure, but I mean clearly specified goals.
Oh, okay. What is your specific goal?
Once you have your goals, you can figure out what type of meeting it's going to be. This helps you prepare, and it also helps you to run it. If it starts out as one type of meeting, and you let it turn into something different, there's no way you're going to achieve your goal.
Makes sense. Okay. What type of meeting is it?
Here are 3 types. Information giving. This is a meeting where the leader or presenter does most of the talking.
Okay. Information giving.
For example, to inform the group about new policies or procedures, or to train them on a new product, or to give a motivational talk.
Got it.
Information getting. In this type of meeting, the leader is seeking data, ideas, facts, or opinions from the group.
Information getting.
For example, to determine if new operational procedures are working, or to get feedback from sales or customer service reps. Here, the leader's job is to elicit open, honest feedback, while at the same time, keeping the attendees on topic.
Okay.
The third type, problem solving. In this type of meeting, the leader's trying to solve a specific company problem.
Okay. Problem solving.
Now, this requires back and forth communication between the leader and the group. It's the leader's job to keep the meeting moving towards the goal.